I can tell you in all of these roles that I've had, I've heavily relied on customer analytics to drive my marketing strategies and really guide my investment decisions. The IDC estimates that the market for big data analytics surpassed $200 billion in 2020. LIM College obviously saw this need for the industry, and they're answering it with this program. So they launched this new Master of Science degree in Consumer Analytics specifically for the fashion industry. And recently, in the companies that I've worked at, all areas of the marketing departments, even areas that are considered more traditional, such as store marketing and like wholesale marketing, they're all looking for more ways to become more digital and analytically oriented. And I find a lot of times that these departments want to utilize consumer analytics to help really kind of form their strategies. The superpower of consumer analytics is the ability to learn about your customers through data so you can most effectively retain them, and so you can also acquire new customers at the most efficient cost. 85% of luxury brand sales come from customers already registered in their database. And that's a huge stat right there. 85% of luxury brand sales come from the existing customer base. And consumer analytics really allows these brands to best understand these customers and engage with these existing customers in a meaningful way. These brands need systems to kind of analyze this data, but they also need employees with these skill sets that can help really run these programs.
It's not just like global specific to a role of an analyst, but it's global for a skill set that you need. Even as a marketer, or as if you want to go into branding, if you want to go into commercials, you always need some type of data to ground you. And of course, Google has so much access to data, but the part that I love the most is understanding how it can tell a story. So we know that people are going back to work, they're excited about getting dressed, they want to learn about new beauty trends. So we're using all of those data points to create our commercials. And what I love about this is that you get this Excel sheet and it has all of these numbers, all of these metrics about people around the world, and we're able to really digest it and put it into a story. And then you watch it come to life and it really resonates with people and what they're doing right now. And it feels very current. And I think that that's why I love that LIM has created this program, because it's not only relevant to right now, but it's also relevant to where we're going in the fashion industry.
What I find interesting about Stitch Fix, so I found that I'm Stitch Fix customer, they got my fit right away. I was really impressed with that. The style part, is obviously a little bit more personal. That took a couple boxes to get right, but once they got more data on me, I found that my boxes now are really tailored to me. But I think too, this also shows how you need to have sometimes like a stylist interpret data. It can really help you maximize the customer journey through personalized selling, market segmentation, by assessing which type of communication and/or product will drive a consumer engagement.